Hi, I am Brian. You are watching Golden Host One channel. I teach you about how to get WordPress affiliate plugins to improve conversation. Please subscribe and share our channel Golden Host One. Do you have an affiliate website on WordPress? Then you need to make sure you use the below plugins on your website to maximize the conversations you make out of your affiliate promotions. Number 1, Affiliate Link Cloaking Plugins. Affiliate links are messy. They contain tracking parameters and also strings URL. Most of the visitors verify the links before clicking them. Affiliates links, if they are inserted as they are, appear quite fishy. So link cloaking greatly improves user experience, and Affiliate Link Center Pretty Links is one of the best plugins I have encountered for link cloaking. This plugin gives you the flexibility to cloak, track, organize, shrink, share and test your links. You can do all these things on your own domain. It is a great plugin that tracks your link and gives a detailed report of link clicks. You can also enable Pretty Links to automatically add affiliate links to the keywords you mention in the settings. This feature is called Auto Link Keywords. An upgraded version, Pretty Links Pro, is available with significant improvements over the light version. I am making use of their Pro version and it's absolutely worth it. It helps you easily track where affiliate clicks happened and also helps you track conversion. The free version is available in the WordPress repo. Number 2, Table Builder Plugins. To increase the affiliate sales, you can make use of free or paid table builder plugins. WordPress Gutenberg comes with an inbuilt table block to create the tables. But the downside of this is that you cannot insert the image. So you may have to look at some other plugins. You can use a free table press plugin. But to make your tables responsive, you need to go with its premium version, Responsive Tables. There is another drag and drop plugin called WP Table Builder. With this you can easily create responsive tables like comparison tables, pricing tables, list tables and many more. It comes with flexible options like merging cells and split cells. So far I have found to be the best free plugin developed keeping ease of use in mind. Number 3, Notification Bar Plugins. I use Elementor on my site. It comes with a free pop-up functionality that itself acts as a notification bars. Notification bars are really useful for boosting your website conversions. You can see that for the above button post I have a notification bar displayed at the bottom of the screen with affiliate button to the respective products. I also have this kind of notification bars for individual products reviews. For implementing the above, I am making use of the Elementor pop-ups feature plugin and also a dynamic content feature of Elementor. Many popular pop-up plugins like Opt-in Monster come with notification bars too. Or else you can make use of any free WordPress plugins like WP Notification Bar. Number 4, Pop-up Plugin. Pop-ups are a great way to boost affiliate sales. But before using pop-ups on your websites, you need to make sure that the product's affiliate terms and services allow it. For example, Amazon affiliate stores does not allow you to promote their products in any kind of pop-up. For pop-ups I am again making use of Elementor's pop-up feature. You can also use some pop-up plugins like Opt-in Monster, Thrive Leads and Popt-in Free WP plugin. Number 5, Content-aware sidebars. With this plugin you can boost conversion by displaying different widgets based on conditions. You can insert the shortcodes and also make them appear or even schedule them to display at specific times. You are free to create post sidebars, page sidebars, category sidebars or any custom sidebars. If you have an Amazon affiliate site, you can consider displaying the post-specific bestseller list in the sidebar. It will increase your conversion by a great extent. Number 6, Coupons and Deals Plugins. If you are presenting coupons and deals in your WordPress site, displaying it in the form of deals and coupons box skyrockets your conversion. For this you can make use of a plugin, WP Coupons and Deals. This plugin allows you to display the coupons boxes and also deal boxes. It is a freemium plugin. The Pro version comes with additional features. You can try out their free version and I am sure you get the Pro version of the plugin that pays itself off in leaps and bounds. Number 7, ORP. If you are running Amazon affiliates websites, you need to make use of this plugin. For many years Easyazon was one of the popular Amazon affiliates plugin. But AWP changed everything by offering tons of features. AWP easily integrates with Amazon Product Advertising API and pulls in up-to-date information like product title, price and image to your site. Thanks for watching Golden Host 1. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with friends. Have a nice day. Goodbye.